Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this heart motif and this butterfly for make a beautiful keychain. Make a magic circle, insert your hook into this yarn, pull up yarn, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Yarn over 1, 2, 3 times. Insert your hook into this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns. One more, yarn over 1, 2, 3 times, insert your hook, bring yarn, yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through 4 times. Make 1, 2, 3, make 3 double treble crochet. Now we have 4 stitches, yarn over 1, 2 times, make treble crochet in this ring. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 times. Make one more, 1, 2, yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through, 1, 2, yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through, yarn over 1, 2, 3 times. Insert your hook, make 1 double treble crochet, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through, make treble crochet, 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochet, we have 3 in here, yarn over 3 times, make 1 double treble crochet, pull through, pull through, pull through, pull through, 2 double treble crochet, 3 double treble crochet, and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, a slip stitch, make chains, a slip stitch, make magic circle, insert your hook into this yarn, bring yarn, make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, yarn over 1 2 3 times, insert your hook into this ring, make 1 double treble crochet, 1 double treble crochet, 2 double treble crochet, 3 double treble crochet, make 1 2 3 4 5 chains, go to this ring, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 chains, make treble crochet, 1 2, yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through, 1 treble crochet, 2 treble crochet, 3 treble crochet, make 1 2 3 4 chains, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 chains, 1 treble crochet, pull through, pull through, pull through, 2 3 treble crochet, make 1 2 3 4 chains, go to magic ring, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 5 chains, yarn over 3 times, make double treble crochet, 1 double treble crochet, 2 3, make 1 2 3 4 5 chains, go to magic circle, a slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 chains, 1 2 3 chains, skip 2 chain, go to this chain, a slip stitch, and make 1 slip stitch, 2 slip stitch, 3 slip stitch, 4 slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 chains, 1 2 3 chain, skip 2 chain, go to this chain and make 1 slip stitch in each chain, go to this ring, a slip stitch, chaining, go to this chain, this stitch, a slip stitch, in this motif we have 5 chains, 1 2 3 double treble crochet, 1 2 3 treble crochet, 1 double treble crochet, 1 2 3 treble crochet, 1 2 3 double treble crochet, 5 chains, and make 12 chains in here. In this butterfly motif we have 5 chains, 3 double treble crochet, 5 chains, 4 chains, 3 treble crochet, 4 chains, 4 chains, 3 treble crochet, 4 chains, 5 chains, 3 double treble crochet, 5 chains. In here make 4 chains, add 3 chains, a slip stitch and a slip stitch in each chain, and make 20 chains in last.